Hello artists, today we're going to draw some birds in flight. So we're going to be concentrating on what they look like from the side and what their wings are doing. They might be flapping up, they might be flapping down. So to start these birds, they're not going to be super realistic birds, but they are going to have all the parts that we need and all the shapes that we need. So I'm going to start with a real straight line and a real shallow curve line, like this. It looks like a canoe or a very skinny boat. And the next thing I'm going to do is draw a line right here for a beak. And then I'm going to draw another line right here for the head. And that's a simple start. I have my bird's body, the beak, and the head, and I'll add the eye. Next thing I'm going to do is make some tail feathers. And for the first one, I might just do sideways V, connect. And birds are real skinny when they fly, so they can zip through the air. So I'm off to a good start. The next thing I'm going to do is add wings, and to add wings, I'm just going to make a straight line and a curve line back down. And a straight line and a curve line back down. And you can make them any way that you want. I can also add some little U's or J's for the feet. And there's my first bird. I'm gonna make another bird right here the same way. Might start with a curve line. Kind of like another boat shape and a beak. And a head, and an eye. This one's swooping down a little bit. For the tail on this one, I might just do line, line, connect, and give it more of a rectangle tail. This one's a little more of a triangle, it's more of a rectangle. And I'll add the wings. Straight line, curve line. Straight line, curve line. I'm going to outline a little bit. J for the feet. So that one's swooping down in. I'm going to make another one right here. See how many birds I can fit on here. Straight line. Curve line. Make a bigger beak for this one with a line right there. Here's the head and an eye. They all look a little bit different. This one I might make sideways V and some bumpy lines for the feathers. Straight line, curve line, straight line, curve line. J for the feet. Straight line, curve line for my boat shape. The beak, there's a head and the eye. You can really make your birds any way you want. This one I might just make a little square tail. Straight line, curve line, straight line, curve line for the wings. J. This one might be flying up a little bit. And for this one, I might make a letter sideways M or a V. So its beak is open. You can make the beak any way that you want. Line, line, connect. Straight line, curve line. Straight line, curve line. J. Make a couple more down here. And you'll probably be able to draw them a little bit more quickly as you go. That one has triangle tail feathers. If you want to add any sorts of pattern, you can do this part in pencil to show the difference. You can put some curve lines on the wing so the belly can be a different color. You can make straight lines, the belly a different color. We'll just make it more fun to color in. Any details that you want to add.